Tama na muna mga nakakapagod na sports. Mag-relax muna tayo at makijam with Harry Santos.
I don't wanna pretty face, I don't want your saying ho ho. I don't want my love to go to waste. I love you, you're beautiful, so you're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold, I won't let another minute go to waste. I love you, you're beautiful, so I know that you something special too. I'll be always faithful. I want to be what you see when I hope you see the heart of me. I don't want another pretty face. I don't want your saying ho ho. I don't want my love to go to waste. I love you, you're beautiful, so you're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold. I won't let another minute go to waste. I love you, you're beautiful, so you're beautiful, so yeah, yeah. You might need time to think it over, but I'm just fine. Beautiful world, I see you mine. So give me a chance, I will never make you cry. Come on, let's try. I don't wanna run a pretty face. I don't want your saying ho ho. I don't want my love to go to waste. I love you, you're beautiful, so you're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold. I won't let another minute go to waste. I love you, you're beautiful, so
Thank you, Harry! And of course, ang abstract dancers. Ngayon naman, sa lahat ng mga natutunan nyo today, ano ba yung pinaka-nagustuhan nyo? At bakit? Dion.
Ako yung billiards. Kasi ang dami kong napashoot. At saka, pero yung gusto ko talaga basketball.
So, ano ba talaga? Sayar o basketball?
Hindi, gusto ko talaga basketball, pero natuwa ako ngayon sa billiards. Kasi hindi, ang galing ko, parang ang dami kong na-shoot.
Meron. Dami, ilan? Dami. Dami siya na-shoot. Si Christine.
Ako, boxing.
Boxing? Bakit?
Wala, natutuwa lang ako. Tsaka, kasi yung mga friends ko rin nagpa-boxing, parang naiengganyo na rin ako mag-boxing.
Why not? Tuloy mo yung ngayong summer, mag-kickboxing ka, ganyan.
Badminton po.
Badminton. Bakit badminton?
Hindi, dati pa naman po, hindi. Dati pa naman po gusto ko yun eh. Yun, badminton po talaga, sports ko.
LG.
Ako po kasi, na-try ko na lahat. Kahit yung iba naman, lang, parang laro-laro lang. Pero na-try ko na. Yung taekwondo, gusto ko po matutunan. Simula bata pa lang ako, kaso wala lang chance. Yun, so yun siguro.
Edgar.
Sa akin po, basketball. Kasi mas, parang nakikita ko yung sarili ko, mas fit ako dun sa sports na.
Doon sa, okay. Harry.
ako billiards kasi ayoko yung masyado nagpapawis. Gusto ko yung
Yung cool lang, relax lang. Konting effort lang. Oo. Happy na, di ba? Bakit ayaw mo napapawisan ka?
Kasi mabilis akong pawisan. Pag nagpawis ako, tuloy-tuloy na.
Okay.
Sabi nila healthy yan pag napapawisan ka, lumalabas yung pawis mo. Pero yung boses mo hindi healthy. Pero yung boses mo hindi na.
Siyempre, ito ang all-time favorite sport tuwing summer. Nako, ang swimming! Sino ba ang ayaw sa beach at swimming pool pag mainit? Ito ang crash course sa swimming at mga tips na rin kung papaano mag-ingat sa pool. Let's watch this. Nandito ako ngayon sa Ace Water Spa at makakasama ko ngayon ang swimming instructor na si Angelo Lozada. Anya, samahan niyo ako at chichikahin natin siya magpapaturo tayo. Let's go! Wala nang Hi Angelo, kamusta ka naman? Ay Angelo, meron na ako sa'yo question Kasi gusto mo namin malaman kung matagal ka na ba nagtuturo ilan years na kaya ito?
Since I was 9 years old, bale 13